What's good? It's your boy HotboiStep back again with another video. All right, so what's good, y'all? What I want to start doing is a little series, right? A series on Forex and me just showing how I look at Forex. You know what I'm saying? So maybe I can just touch on a bunch of different topics with different videos. You know what I'm saying? So today's video is going to be me just diving into how I look at my charts. You know what I'm saying? How I trade. You know what I'm saying? So I primarily trade on my phone, but I don't make no decisions based on my phone other than little horizontal lines and the indicators I got on my phone. Maybe that's a whole different video. You know what I'm saying? I can dip into that. But we gonna look at the computer side of how I see TradingView. I use TradingView. Um, you know what I'm saying? I got a little upgraded spot on TradingView, and we gonna see how I look at it. Let's see, CPU. There we go. There we go. So this is my charts. You know what I'm saying? I got four of them. I like to look at four different charts. We just gonna see one chart for right now, and then zoom into the overall way how I look at it. So what we got here is a 4-hour chart on gold. We're looking at gold right now, and we just got all the lines and markups that and indicators and everything I done put into it. You know what I'm saying? This is the most simplified one, and I put it like that because like the basic chart everybody should know they looking at before they make a trade or a observation is the 4-hour chart. It's like if anything happened, it's like, did you see the 4-hour chart? Would you looking at the 4-hour chart setup? Like, okay, facts. Okay, so anyway, let's see, let's look at this thing, man. If we take away everything, let's just see if we take away everything. Okay, delete. I'm gonna mess up my whole chart. Hold on. Let's see. Let's take away this Fibonacci. Okay, so we got 4-hour chart, man. I like to look at it on four of them though. You know what I'm saying? But for this purpose, it's like when you're looking at this, it's like for me, I just want to follow the last candle. I'm trying to follow. I'm trying to catch that wave. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to catch the wave. It's like people make it so complicated on trading. Like I have a good share amongst wins and losses. So it's like when you know the fact that 99% of people fail in Forex, it's like who advice are you really gonna take? So for me, it's a simplified way. I just like to follow the last candle, and I draw trend lines as you can see. So you know what I'm saying? What I want to just make note of it is I look at four different charts at one time. So when I say that is my 4-hour chart is my second one, but I got four of them. So it's like when it comes to all these charts, it starts with the week, then the 4-hour, then the 15 on Hakendashi. And we could talk about Hakendashi candles in another video. In the 15-minute chart. So it's like I'm trying to follow the last one. I'm trying to follow, the trend, the overall trend. I'm trying to follow whatever color it say on Hakendashi. So no, hold on. This Hakendashi right here is supposed to be on the 90-minute actually. There we go. See, I got it saved already. So yeah, we following the trend, and that's how we go about that. When we get this, you know what I'm saying, when we get to this money in this Forex, it's about riding the wave and see how long we could do it. But yeah, with that being said, it's your boy HotboiStep. Comment below You know what I'm saying? What are your ideas on Forex and how do you trade? I want to like drop like a video series on every single thing to touch up on when you're using a certain thing on how you gonna make your final decision before making these trades in Forex. So you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to like network with Forex minded people, like minded people that dabble in Forex and trying to make this money. Like, are we like in like where is it from the broad point of view? Like, what is gonna happen over the next year? We at the beginning of the year right now. So what's gonna happen by, each month, 6 months from now, and at the end of the year? So how long we can hold these long trades? I'm trying to, the ultimate swing of long term making money. But are we bullish? Are we bearish? Are we buying? Are we selling? It's your boy HotboiStep, man. Let me see y'all next time. Peace.